It's wash day, so let's do my hair oiling routine together. I'm going to start off with brushing my hair through with my Crown Affair brush and making sure that there are no knots. Take this comb, wooden comb, it's called a ganga. It's actually my dad. I'm just going to brush my hair through with this and kind of massage my scalp a little bit. Use this. You can also use like a bamboo hairbrush, but I like to do this for a couple of minutes just to get some blood flow going to the scalp. I mix 3 oils together to oil my hair, and I put them all in this little bowl. I have some castor rosemary oil, and I do about 2 pumps of that, and main holy roots hair oil. I was actually gifted this oil and the JVN one. I don't think you need to use the exact same oils that I use to achieve results. I think out of like the expensive oils that I've tried, the Fable and Mane one is amazing. It's South Asian owned, and South Asians know what they're doing when it comes to oiling your hair. When I'm home, I literally use like the oils that you get from the Indian store, and they work just as good. Like that's literally what I was using growing up. So you don't have to buy expensive hair oils to oil your hair. Castor and rosemary oil is literally from Amazon, and it's like 10 bucks, I think. So there's a lot of good oils out there. There's amla oil that is really good for your hair as well. And once I have all my oils in a bowl, I actually pop this in the microwave for 15 to 20 seconds before I start adding. My mom has just always warmed up the oil before she puts it in my hair, and the castor and rosemary oil is so thick that warming it up makes it a little thinner, and it makes it easier to put it in your hair. So I definitely recommend heating it up, and I feel like there's some benefits to your hair being a little oil, like being a little warm when you're putting it in your hair and like massaging it in. Take like a dropper from one of my oils, take sections of my hair, and I just put oil throughout my hair. Instead of rubbing it on my hands first and then running it through my hair, I find that this way the placement of the oil is a little bit more intentional and targeted to where I need it to go. I actually don't oil my hair for growing out and like having long hair or anything. I don't think I have hair that's super long. My goals with hair oiling are actually to grow like thicker hair and to grow hair and primarily my hairline, because I was like never growing hair in this specific section, but now I literally have so much baby hair from being super consistent with hair oiling. And now I'm going to have Arjun massage my hair for like 15 minutes. It's Sunday, so it is literally football Sunday all day long. So if he's just gonna sit here and watch football, the least he could do is massage oil into my hair. I like to brush my hair after it's like done being hair oiled because there's just so many like tangles in them, but I'm just really gentle with it. So I lightly just run a brush through my hair so that there's not that many knots in them. And now for my ends, I grew up in an Indian household. I used coconut oil on the ends of my hair. So I'm going to take a tablespoon of this Trader Joe's coconut oil, melt it down a little bit, and just put it on my mids to ends. And then I will leave the oil in my hair for 2 to 4 hours. My hair, after styling it with my Dyson, it looks so shiny. It feels so healthy and soft. Hair oiling literally just resets my whole entire hair. I wish you guys could feel my hair through the camera because it feels so soft. And the products that I use in the shower, I do double cleanse my scalp every time I wash my hair, but when I oil my hair, I like to go in with the K18 detox shampoo. I like to use this once a week anyway, but when I oil my hair, this is a perfect first wash wash or my second cleanse, I go in with the Pureology Hydrate Sheer shampoo. This is so moisturizing, and I think it's perfect if you have low to mid porosity hair. I was done shampooing. I did like kind of dry my hair in the shower, like scrunch out as much water as I could, and left in the K-Teen hair mask for 4 minutes. And I did not wash this out. After the 4 minutes was done, I went ahead with the Amika Hydro Rush Deep Conditioner. It's an intense moisture mask, and I just think that these products together have made my hair feel so soft and healthy. They look so good even after heat styling. It doesn't look like it's fried or anything. So I definitely recommend all these products if you have low to mid porosity hair, which is what I have, and I have naturally wavy hair, and this all works so perfectly together, especially on my hair oiling days.